The AI systems that we have running right now, they're really quite interesting. So, I mean, I've been involved, like I say, for the best part of 14 years now in the industry, and I've had some really good experiences and I've had some horrendous experiences with algorithms.
That's same for me.
So my biggest losing moments have always come with algorithms. And right now, I'm in a very happy place. We've created an AI system with a risk manager that's been in the industry a lot longer than I have.
Wow.
And we only have it running on two markets. We have it running on euro dollar and we have it running on Kiwi dollar.
Okay.
And it basically just looks at the magnitude of movements. And people call it a grid system. It's not a grid system because it is AI. And the way we look at it is we need volatility to create movement.
Okay.
And when the volatility comes into place, we're selling and we're buying at the same time, so it will take long and shorts. In terms of returns, you know, it's consistent.
Yeah.
Kiwi right now is around 16.5% for the year.
That's very good.
Euro dollar last year did 32%. It's around 10% for the year. You know, they're not returns that people will blow their minds with, but what it is, it's something that is going to consistently produce you a nice return that gives you capital to go and do other things. Where you can use that return to go into high risk and make high returns.
Okay.
And that's what we like. You know, if you've got capital that's sat there producing you returns, and you can then use the profits from that
for play more
for play money, so to speak, like you say. So when you've got that continued return of consistent returns, it gives you capital to go, right, this is my play money, this is what I'm going all in on. And when it comes off, fantastic. And when it doesn't, you lose nothing because you've made guaranteed returns.
Exactly. And actually that's the vision of Verse Network, is to give everyone the chance to make consistent return for the long term.
Perfect.
Because for the experience I have in trading, high return of course is possible, but it's very risky and it's not sustainable on the long term. And this is what I like when I saw your software and the way you trade, like everybody can feel safe.
And that's the thing, if you can limit your downturns by having a consistent return, that gives you the flexibility to go high risk with this. If it comes off, fantastic. If it doesn't, you lose nothing.
Yeah.
You just lose your profit.
Yeah.
And that to me is savvy investing.
Yeah, exactly. And you told me last time the back test or the test, like you have been able to test the software on how many years?
The software goes back to 2006. I mean,
2006.
Yeah.
And it has been able to work very good.
It's worked superbly well. We used to run it actually as an amalgamation of three. We used to have Kiwi, Euro, and Dollar Yen.
Okay.
And they used to work as a portfolio.
Okay.
But unfortunately, due to the way that the yen moves and the way that the Bank of Japan like to operate, it wasn't really feasible to keep them together. And when we segregated them and back tested, it showed that if we'd taken Dollar Yen out of it, the portfolio was insanely, massively more profitable. And then if we separated them again, it was even more profitable. So that's how we ended up with putting Kiwi on its own and Euro dollar on its own. And we've just got rid of Dollar Yen because the moves that it creates are too big to absorb. You know, you just need one crazy statement from the Bank of Japan and it can move 500, 600, 700 points in one direction. And it doesn't matter, the best will in the world, no AI system is going to be able to pick up that kind of black swan event.